Hey everyone, so this is an outfit of the day, and again it's just a casual outfit, and this day I was actually going to a garden in Hawaii. I forgot the name of the garden, but yeah, maybe I'll find out and I'll list it like in the bottom. And I also wore it to the beach, and it's just a really cute casual outfit. So the shorts are from the LC Lauren Conrad collection at Kohl's, and they're just tan high-waisted shorts, and then my top is a light blue, kind of like frilly, girly, it's like really cute and girly, and it's also from the LC collection, and it has kind of like dark turquoise flowers on it. And then my bracelet is from H&M, and just has like a heart and some tassels and some diamonds, and on my nails I have Turquoise and Caicos by Essie. So yeah, this is the outfit, and on my feet I'm actually wearing some gold sandals with diamonds, but I forgot to show you in this video, so sorry about that guys, but they're from Target. And this is what the outfit looks like, and I love the bow on high-waisted shorts. I think it just looks so cute. And then the top, I love I forgot what they're called, they're just like frilly, I guess, I don't know, but they're like really cute, and when the wind blows, like they all move, and it's really cute. And then I just have that shirt tucked in. And then, yeah, this is the whole outfit. And then for my hair, I just have it up in like a messy bun. And then I put like a really cute flower in it. So it's like a purple and white flower, and I got that in when I went to LA for my birthday. So yeah, that's just how the bun looks. I hope you guys like this outfit of the day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.